A few years ago, I used to post a lot of singing videos and funny videos and vlogs and all on this channel, but somehow I disappeared completely and I came into the profession of veterinary sciences. Hi guys, my name is Gautami Deshmukh. You might be knowing me or you may be new to this channel. If you're new here, then please subscribe to this channel because trust me, I was inactive from a lot of days, but now I'm going to post like hell. I'm going to be back on YouTube. But if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel because trust me, my life has took a very big turn. It has turned 360 degrees, and if you want to be there with me for my journey, the entire chaos, then please stick around. So it all started in around 2020. In the lockdown, I started this YouTube channel and I started uploading videos like how to improve confidence. Like that was the first video I uploaded in class 10. After class 10, when I was getting bored in the lockdown, and after that I also started uploading singing videos, karaoke playing in the background, and then I also started making some vlogs. I had uploaded 3 to 4 vlogs, and I also made funny videos, like one of my videos of struggles of being a topper. It was a skit video which went very viral, and that is the kind of videos that I used to make earlier. But then I came into my 12th standard and then I had to give NEET, and one thing was clear that whatever happens after NEET, I want to become a veterinary doctor, and that's why then I took admission in veterinary sciences. The story is another one long story which I will cover in another video. Then I became a veterinary doctor, and then I took some time to adjust in the college, the background, the new people, new acquaintances, new experiences, and the vet journey is fascinating and amazing so far. So I don't regret this decision. But yes, the YouTuber Gautami that you knew earlier in her teenage is now shifted to adulthood. I'm 21 right now, and there is a lot more coming in the veterinary journey as well. So to my old audience and to my new audience who will join further, I just want to say that I have changed a lot since then. Like since my previous videos, I was a very bubbly chubbly girl who used to just do singing videos and vlogs and all, but I think now I have grown up since then a lot, like mentally and professionally, and I have entered a professional course. So there have been a lot of changes in my personality as well. So one thing that has not been changed is that I am Gautami and you love to watch me. So yes, please stick around, please be with me through my journey of veterinary sciences, because that is the profession that I have chosen as the main, like my main profession. So I'm going to be a veterinary doctor in the next few years. Like I'm in my final year right now. So two years and I'll be Dr. Gautami, and so I have a lot of content in my mind going on, but it's not like I'm going to be just a veterinarian. I mean, I am going to be a veterinarian, but not just a veterinarian, because I am not going to stop uploading funny skits. I will make sure that I take out some time and make some content for you all, because the love I got for my skit funny video about the struggles of being topper, it was very overwhelming. That was my biggest motivation to continue YouTube. And further on, one more reason I could not continue YouTube right now is because of reels. Yup. I was so used to making long videos earlier, and then when the Instagram reels thing came, it was all about short 60-second videos. So my mind got used to them, and when I started off, I was starting off joining YouTube, like rejoining YouTube from a lot of days. But then trust me, I was not getting ideas and I was not getting how to shift to the vet content from the previous funny content that I used to put. But then a lot of research and a lot of chat GPT के साथ बातें करना, I just figured out that it is not going to be a professional vet channel. It is going to be Gautami's channel. It is going to be a creator account in which I am going to post my life, and you guys might want to stick up to it. So yes, I think that was it about this video. I hope you guys get reactivated, because I accept that I was inactive from a lot of days. Then it is obvious that the audience is a bit dormant right now, but no, not anymore. Guys, wake up, because I am going to post now onwards. They are, and what kind of content that I am going to post. So just to inform, it is not fixed, but what is fixed is that it will include everything that I do, from singing to dancing, to most importantly vet vlogs. And it will also frequently cover some informative vet content, like how to read basic CBC, and my clinical experiences, like funny clinical experiences, but you can relate to them. It is not going to be vet specific, like I'm not going to teach you the different stages of estrous cycle or anything like that. I am going to just it is not a teaching channel. I'm just going to be telling you some friendly concepts and all, and that is it. Finally, to all my old and my new subscribers, hi, welcome, and please stay around and be a part of my journey. Thank you so much.